students of Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, had the privilege of hosting Mr. Walnace Dias, Vice President, Rupeeboss Financial Services Private Limited. It was an extremely engaging and enlightening session, sir. Now, we have a few questions for you. Shall we?
Thank you.
Okay. Sir, as a sales and marketing guru, what do you think are the disciplines that young sales professionals should abide by?
Aparna, as I always also covered in my lecture today, one of the most important thing to be successful at sales is preparation for your sales. So when you prepare for your meetings with your customers feel there's enough value or enough time being given to them. And this particular value of providing enough time to them works in your favor. And hence, preparation is very key for your success. Number 2 is being persistent. When I say persistent, there will be times when the customer may not have a need or probably just don't want to work with you for some reason. But you don't give up. Be consistent in your approach to the customer. Prepare again for every meeting. Add value every time you're meeting them. Don't be with the same thing. Every time add something new to the meeting. Being persistent helps. And that will probably bring in additional success in terms of sales. Number 3 is don't give up on any customer. You never know which customer will come up to you, which customer requires your help, and which customer could probably add mullahs to your business.
Thank you for your response, sir. As an addiction recovery coach, can you shed light on some bad addictions that future managers should get rid to progress in their journey in the future?
Aparna, I'll push this into 2 different things. One is bad addictions. Now, bad addictions are perceived addictions. What are these? Or somebody who smokes is an addiction. For him, it's a good addiction. He feels nice about it. But for the person outside, he smokes. Somebody who consumes alcohol, somebody who drinks alcohol or drinks a lot of tea. Now, addictions could be bad to health, could be good to health. Everything which is hurting your health, every addiction which is hurting your health is bad to you. Every addiction which is doing good to your health is good to you, right? So, idea is, can I get rid of it? The process of getting rid of it is, how do I understand what is my addiction and why is it causing? You need to get to understand, why do I do it? For example, if somebody smokes, there's a particular pattern why someone smokes. He says, okay, I'm feeling a little stressed, so if I smoke, I'll feel fresh. So there's a particular routine which is followed. So every time I feel stressed, and that routine now has got now into, even if when you don't feel stressed, you want to smoke and you feel fresh about it. If you're able to understand this pattern, are you able to replace this pattern with something else? Or maybe, like, if I feel like whenever I wake up, the first thing I want to do is reach to my cigarette. So in that case, today I will decide, I will not reach out to my cigarette, I will make a decision myself. We'll go out, maybe do a run and come back, feel tired, drink water. I have given up that moment of wanting to have a cigarette or wanting to smoke a cigarette. So that's, understand the reason, when is it happening, what is the routine that you're following it, and understand how do you feel about it. Now, if you're replacing that particular routine with maybe a glass of water, and if you feel fresh about it, you have won the addiction. That means you have replaced the smoking addiction with a glass of water, and that's making you the same feeling as what you got after smoking.
That was a very helpful response,
Thank you.
Finally, a generic question. How was your experience at Vinod Gupta School of Management, and what message do you have for the budding managers here today?
I had a superb time today, I must say. This is my first experience at IIT, and coming here, being a lecturer here today at Vinod School of Management, the energy is completely different. I felt so privileged to be here, to be among you guys, among all the students who are here. My message to the managers, the budding managers is, you are the product. You will decide whether you'll be successful or not. So like the way I told you, the bird in the hand, if you tighten your fist, you're going to make it dead. If you just loosen your fist, it will be alive. Make that decision. Loosen your fist. Break away from the routines. Get into outside world. Think about doing something amazing to the outside world. Every day, look at what problem will you solve for yourself and for your customers. If you're able to do that, you'll be amazingly successful. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, sir. It was a pleasure hosting.
My pleasure. Thanks a whole lot. Yeah. Bye.